From time immemorial, dill seeds have been used in traditional medicine. Doctors in ancient Egypt knew about the healing properties of this plant. How to properly brew dill seeds or take them dry depends primarily on the specific problem. What are the benefits of dill seeds? The beneficial properties of dill seeds are impressively varied. This folk remedy has a beneficial effect on the immune system, digestive and cardiovascular systems, helps fight genitourinary diseases, inflammatory processes and hypertension. It has a bactericidal, diuretic, antispasmodic and sedative effect. It's all about the high concentration of biological substances, including vitamins, B group vitamins, vitamins A, vitamins C and vitamins E, mineral salts, phosphorus, iron, calcium, potassium, saccharides, phytoncides, flavonoids, fatty and essential oils. A decoction of dill seeds. What helps? Cleansing. Cleaning with dill seeds works on the circulatory system and is aimed at improving the condition of blood vessels. For it you need to prepare an infusion of 1 cup of seeds and 1.5 cups of valerian root. The mixture is poured with boiling water and matured in a thermos. You need to take the infusion 3 times a day, 1 tablespoon, half an hour before meals. This procedure can be carried out once every 5 years, following a diet without fatty and sweet foods during the entire course and excluding coffee and strong tea from the diet. Parasites. Dill seed can be used against parasites, in particular against worms. To do this, you need to eat 2 tablespoons of seeds 2 to 3 hours after dinner, one with whole seeds, the other with ground ones, adding a little honey if desired. After another 3 hours, you need to take 2 tablespoons of castor oil and put on an anti-inflammatory and wound-healing rectal suppository. It is recommended to consume the seeds together with troichatka within 3 days. Bloating. Dill seeds also help against bloating. To get rid of discomfort, you need to pour 1.5 teaspoons of dill seed into a glass of cold water. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes over low heat. The cooled and filtered drink is taken 30 minutes before meals, and each time you need to prepare a fresh decoction. Dill seeds for pancreas. For pancreatitis, inflammation and other diseases of the pancreas, dill seeds help eliminate acid reflux, bloating, gas and diarrhea. This effect is due to folic and nicotinic acid. In addition, at any stage of the disease, dill works as a bile and diuretic. It normalizes the microflora in the organs of the digestive system and removes toxins that interfere with their normal functioning. You should consult your doctor about how to take dill seeds if you have problems with your pancreas. As a rule, it is recommended to take a pinch of crushed seed powder with a small amount of water several times a day. Hypertension. For blood pressure, dill seeds can be used in consultation with a doctor as a safe supplement. For hypertension, both ground seeds, 1 teaspoon with each meal, and a decoction, pour 1 teaspoon of seeds into 300 milliliters of boiling water, leave for several hours, help. Cystitis in men and women. For cystitis, dill seeds normalize kidney function and accelerate the removal of fluid from the body. They cleanse the bladder and reduce inflammation symptoms. Thanks to the antibacterial effect, the urinary tract will be cleared of pathogenic bacteria. Dill will relieve spasms and provide a general strengthening effect. To cope with the disease, you need to know how to properly prepare a decoction of dill seeds. The easiest way is to pour 2 teaspoons of seeds into a glass of drinking water and cook over low heat for 20 minutes. It is recommended to drink a chilled drink passed through cheesecloth 5 to 6 times a day for a week. For cystitis, it is extremely important to take dill seeds only as an addition to the treatment prescribed by your doctor. Pregnancy. Toxicosis, edema, acute respiratory viral infection. During pregnancy, dill seeds help cope with nausea, vomiting and weakness during toxicosis. They also serve to prevent edema in the 2nd trimester and alleviate the symptoms of RV. In any case, the expectant mother should consult a doctor about the possibility of using dill seeds. Dill seeds for lactation. For lactation, you can make tea from dill seeds. For greater efficiency, grind them in a coffee grinder or blender. To make a decoction, take 1 tablespoon of seeds, pour a liter of boiling water and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes over low heat or a water bath. The filtered and cooled drink should be drunk 5 to 6 times a day an hour before feeding. When preparing the infusion, pour 1 teaspoon of seeds into a glass of boiling water. After 2 hours, the drink can be strained several times and taken. Dill tea is hypoallergenic and safe for both nursing mothers and children. Dill water from dill seeds for newborns. Dill seeds help with colic. Their decoctions and tinctures are included in many pharmaceutical products that are prescribed for gas and abdominal pain in infants. They also effectively fight constipation. Preparing dill water from dill seeds for newborns is very simple. You can use one of two methods. The first method. Pour 1 teaspoon of seeds into 200 milliliters of boiling water, cover with a lid, leave for an hour, filter, cool to room temperature. Second way. Mix water and seeds in the same proportions and place the container with them in a water bath for 30 minutes. At the end of cooking, add water so that the volume of the broth increases to 1 cup. Before giving the drink to your baby, it also needs to be filtered and cooled. Newborns can drink dill water in small portions, 1 to 2 teaspoons, about 3 to 4 times a day. In case of severe pain, the amount can be increased. The child will feel relief within 10 to 15 minutes. This decoction is absolutely safe. Pediatricians allow it to be given from the 2nd to 3rd week of life. However, before using any folk remedy, you should consult your doctor for individual contraindications. Contraindications. Powders, decoctions, and infusions of dill seeds help cope with many diseases, but, like any medicine, they have some contraindications. They should be used with caution. Hypotensive patients. The essential oils in dill reduce blood pressure and can worsen the condition. People with allergic reactions to herbs and plants. Those who suffer from chronic diseases should consult a doctor before treatment with dill seeds. You should start using decoctions and infusions of dill seeds gradually, with small portions. If any negative symptoms appear, weakness, drowsiness, discomfort, blurred vision, rashes, you need to consult a therapist and stop treatment until the circumstances are clarified. Medical application. The essential oil obtained from the seeds is widely used for external use due to its bactericidal, fungicidal and antiparasitic properties. It is used to treat scabies and pediculosis. In addition, essential oils, natural acids and vitamins have a beneficial effect on vascular health and heart function. The seeds also contain iron, which takes part in the delivery of oxygen to all cells of the body. This property is important for the treatment of hypertension. Application in cosmetology. Due to their rich vitamin and mineral composition, dill seeds are often used to prepare homemade masks, creams and compresses. To prepare a homemade mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of dill seeds, 1 tablespoon of finely grated carrots, 2 teaspoons of wheat flour and 2 teaspoons of kefir. Mix all the necessary ingredients and mix thoroughly. Apply the mask to your face and leave for about 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Finally, apply moisturizer to your face. This mask will help get rid of swelling and moisturize dry skin. Let's end the video here. On the channel you can find many interesting videos about the benefits and harms of vegetables and fruits, as well as about diseases and methods of treating them. Therefore, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. I will also be grateful if you like and share the video with your family and friends. See you again. Let's end the video here. On the channel you can find many interesting videos about the benefits and harms of vegetables and fruits, as well as diseases and methods of treating them. Therefore, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. I will also be grateful if you like and share the video with your family and friends. See you again.